VC students. Okay, today let us go to the exercise 9.3 next model. Yesterday what did we learn? Yesterday only circles, about the circles, form the differential equation of different types of circles. So today parabola, hyperbola, ellipse. So next problem is form the differential equation. Form the differential equation. D is called differential equation of family of equation of family of parabolas. Family of parabolas having vertex at origin along the positive y-axis, along the positive y-axis. Along the positive y-axis. So what is the problem? Form the differential equation in the textbook exercise 9.3 7th problem. Form the differential equation of family of parabolas. Parabolas are how many types parabolas? 4 parabolas. 2 parabolas along the x-axis and 2 parabolas along the y-axis. So along the x-axis parabolas, y square is equal to 4axu. Y square is equal to 4axu along the x-axis. X square is equal to 4ay or 4by is called the parabola along the y-axis. So what is the parabola? This is the parabola along the y-axis, positive y-axis. This is the positive y-axis. Negative y-axis along the positive y-axis. Negative y-axis means the downside. This is minus. Okay, negative. So this formula. So the equation of parabola is, this is along the y-axis is x4ay or 4by, anything. Here how many arbitrary constants are there? Only one. A is arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. So x square is equal to 4ay. So only one arbitrary constant, single arbitrary constant, we have to derivate only one time. So differentiate with respect to xu. X square derivative 2xu, 4a constant 2. So y derivative dy by dxu or y dash u. So remove the arbitrary constant. So not remove. Okay, so 4a is equal to, what is the 4a? That implies 4a is equal to what? 2x by y1. No, 4a is equal to 2x by y1. No. So substitute from 1 4a value. Substitute 4a value in equation number 1. So x square is equal to 4a into y. 4a value 2x by y dash into y. So that implies cross multiplication, x square into y dash is equal to 2xy. That implies x square into y dash minus 2xy is equal to 0. Next, another problem, an example maybe. So understand, along the y-axis means positive y-axis means x square is equal to, along the x-axis means y square is equal to 4x. Next, example 8. See your textbook, example 8. What is the meaning of example 8? Form the differential equation representing the family of parabolas having vertex at the origin, axis along the positive direction of x-axis, axis along the positive direction of x-axis. So this is the, so what is the given curve? Given curve parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So equation number 1. So how many arbitrary constants are there? Only single arbitrary constant. Differentiate with respect to x. Y square derivative 2y into derivative of y dash is equal to 4a into 1, no, that is equal to 4a. Okay, remove the arbitrary constant. So not remove the arbitrary constant. Okay, so how to remove arbitrary constant? Substitute 4a value in the equation number 1 from 1. Example 8 question, see your textbook. Okay, so 4a is equal to, from 1, y square is equal to 4a into x, that is equal to 4a value. 4a is equal to what? 2y dash into x. So y square, 1y cancel, 1y, ey cancel. So y is equal to 2xy dash. Y is equal to 2xy dash. Or 2xy dash minus y is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, y square or y dash something, y is equal to y cancel, y cancel, or without cancel means that is equal to y square minus 2y xy y dash equal to 0. Okay na? Okay, clear. Parabola 2 problems. Circles also 2 types. Okay, the center lies on the x-axis, touching the x-axis, touching the y-axis, both two models. Here parabola also 2 models. First one having the vertex at origin along the positive y-axis. Positive y-axis diagram, this is the positive y-axis diagram. This procedure. Same example 8, same problem. Along the positive x-axis, same problem. Example 8. See your textbook page number 390. Okay, this is parabolas also 2 types. Next to ellipse. Okay, next problem, 8th problem. Form the differential equation of family of ellipse. Form the differential equation of family of ellipses having foci. Foci means focus is singular, foci is plural. foci on y-axis, foci on y-axis and center at the origin, foci on y-axis, center at the origin. This is the exercise 9.38 problem. Ellipses are two types ellipse. First, along the x-axis, along the y-axis. Along the y-axis, diagram is along the y-axis, the focus, the foci lies on the y-axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, these are foci, F1, F2. Okay, this is diagram. What is the equation? X square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. No, this one. Okay, foci on the y-axis and along the y-axis, along the x-axis, two types. Okay, next here a, b are arbitrary constant. Two arbitrary constants are there. Two arbitrary constant means you have to derive two times. So differentiate with respect to xo. Differentiate with respect to xo. So x square derivative 2xo by b square constant. Okay now, plus y square derivative 1 by a square into y square derivative 2y into y dash is equal to derivative of 1 0. So again y square 2y into y dash. So 2 cancel, 2y y dash by a square is equal to minus 2x by b square. Goes to the left hand. 2 cancel. Next one, y dash by x is equal to minus a square by b square. Ex goes to left side, a square goes to right side. So y dash by x is equal to minus a square by b square. Okay, one time derivative completed. Next, again derivative with respect to xo. Again derivative with respect to xo. So u by v formula. First u by v formula. What is the derivative of u by v formula? What is the derivative of u by v formula? d by dx of u by v is equal to v square into v into u dash minus u into v dash. Next, d by dx of u into v formula. Derivative of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Okay, this is u, the total, this is u. The u also apply the u into v formula. Okay, this is v. So let u is equal to y into y dash. U is equal to y into y dash. So derivative u dash is equal to u into v formula. What is the u into v formula? U into v dash. V means what? Y dash. The derivative of y dash is y double dash plus v into y dash into u dash. What is u? Y. Y derivative y dash. So y double dash plus y dash whole square. This is u dash. Next, let v is equal to x, that implies v dash is equal to 1. Okay, this is any procedure, you say procedure. So u by v formula. U by v formula, and what is the u by v formula? V into what is u? V and x. What is v? X. Okay, v square x square into, okay, v into what is v? X. V into u dash value, this is the u dash value, y double dash plus y dash whole square. Okay, v into u dash minus v into y dash. Next u into what is u? U is equal to y into y dash into u into v dash. V dash is equal to 1 is equal to a square by b square is a constant. The derivative of a square by b square is equal to 0. And simplify. Next, simplify. Or simplify. X y dash, x into y double dash plus x into y dash whole square. Next, minus y dash equal to 0. So 0 into x square equal to 0. So any cancel? No cancel. So this is the answer, x into y double dash plus x into y dash whole square minus y dash equal to 0. Okay na? Next. This is the important one. Here, this is the tough mode, very tough. U by v formula. U by v formula, this is not a single term, two terms into. First apply the u into v, after that u by v. The same method hyperbola. Hyperbola also same answer. Only equation different, to x square by b square minus y square by a square is equal to 1, minus difference. Answer same. So this is the ellipse having the foci on y axis. On x axis, same equation, answer same. Hyperbola, same procedure, same answer, same equation. Okay na? సరే, example 6, same problem, ellipse problem. Example 6. Form a differential equation of family of ellipses having the foci on x-axis. On x-axis, center at the origin. Difference is x-axis to y-axis difference. So what is the diagram? Diagram is equation is, the equation of the ellipse is this one, x square by a square plus y square by b square. So differentiate derivative of 2x a square plus b square. So 2y dash by b square is equal to 2x by a square. Okay. y dash by x is equal to minus b square by a square. same as it is remain. Data totally same, answer also same answer, same data on the x-axis, same one. Okay, same answer 8 ki example 6 and next problem also same. Next, ninth problem. Form the differential equation of a family of ellipses. Have family of ellipses, not hyperbolas. Family of hyperbolas. Hyperbolas having foci on x-axis. At the center, at the origin. The before one ellipsis is hyperbola. Hyperbola diagram. This is the hyperbola. X-axis, y-axis, center at the origin. So, solution. Same ellipse. The equation of hyperbola. The equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. No. What is the difference between ellipse and hyperbola? Ellipse plus x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. No. Hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. No. So procedure also same as is ellipse problem procedure. Answer also same. Both ellipses problems are the same answer and hyperbola answer also same. Procedure also same. Differential. How many arbitrary constant? Once again I will explain. Once again listen carefully. The equation of hyperbola is the how many arbitrary constants? A, B, both two arbitrary constants. So differentiate with respect to x. 1 by a square constant. X square by a square means x square into 1 by a square. Okay. Derivative of constant is equal to 0. Derivative of constant into u is equal to k into u dash. Here k is equal to 1 by a square. Derivative of x square 2x minus 1 by b square constant y square ki 2y into derivative of y dash equal to 1 derivative 0. So that implies 2y dash by b square is equal to 2x by a square. 2 cancel. Y dash by x is equal to b square by a square. In the ellipse here what will get? Minus, here minus, plus. Minus of constant derivative 0, plus of constant derivative 0, common. Okay. So again derivative with respect to x. Again derivative with respect to x. So this is u by v formula. Okay. U by v formula. What is the u by v formula? Derivative of u by v. v square. First let u is equal to y into y dash. Derivative of u, this is u into v formula, u into v formula, u into v dash. Derivative of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. So y u into v dash, y dash derivative y double dash, y dash into y derivative y dash. So y double dash plus y dash whole square. Let v is equal to x. That implies v dash is equal to 1. No, derivative of x is equal to 1. No. So derivative of d by dx of u by v, d by dx of u by v is equal to v square into, okay, v into u dash minus u into v dash. So that is equal to u by v, v square x square, v into y dash into v, what is v? V is equal to x into v into u dash. What is u dash? Y into y double dash plus y dash whole square minus u into y dash into v dash. V dash is equal to 0. V dash is equal to 1. No. Is equal to b square by a square constant, derivative of constant 0, multiply x into y double dash plus x into y dash whole square minus y into y dash equal to 0. There is no common. Okay, so is answer. So ellipse on the x-axis, foci on x-axis, ellipse foci on y-axis, hyperbola, ఈ 3 ఈక్వేషన్స్, ellipse plus hyperbola minus. So procedure same, all same, but answer also same. The 3 problems have same answer, procedure same, answer same. So 2 times I will explain. I did explain 2 times procedure. This is the main part. Up to this okay, no problem. This is the u by v formula. U by v formula, first we have to write formula of u by v, and before you have to calculate u dash v dash is best procedure. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay, next. So totally examples also explained. So this exercise, this model, form the differential equation model, very important and compulsory question. So we have to practice perfectly. So next 11th one, which of the following differential equation y is equal to, which of the following differential equation y is equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power minus x, which of the following, okay, which of the following differential equation y is a general solution? Is a general solution means option A. Option A is equal to d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. B, d square y by dx square minus y is equal to 0. And C, d square y by dx square plus 1 is equal to 0. And D, d square y by dx square minus 1 is equal. Which option is correct? So first we observe that 4 options have second degree. So we have to derive 2 times. Y is equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power minus x. Differentiate with respect to x. So y1 c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power minus x derivative e power minus x into minus 1. So again derivative with respect to x. So y2 is equal to c1 into e power x derivative e power x plus c2 into e power minus x derivative e power minus x into minus 1, already minus 1. So y2 is equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power minus into minus plus. So y2 means what? D square y by dx square is equal to c1 into e power x plus c2 into e power minus x is equal to y. Therefore the answer is d square y by dx square minus y is equal to 0. So the B option is the same. So 11th problem also, 12th problem, this is the 11th problem, 12th problem also same. So this topic is completed. Tomorrow go to the next topic. Okay. Thank you.